Hi everyone, once again welcome to all of you. Today I am going to solve exercise 13.2 of question number 9. But before that, question number 5, 6, 7, 8 self attempt at your home, because this formula is only formula based question. So solve 4 question yourself. And question number 9 says the lateral arc curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol tank, storage tank, that is 4.2 meter in diameter, means radius is given, and 4.5 meter high. And second part, how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the petrol tank. No problem, but first pass only formula based question. So firstly solve the first part, after that second part I am solve. Okay, so lateral surface area of the tank, storage tank, height of the cylindrical tank, small h is equal to 4.5 meter, and diameter 2r is equal to 4.2 meter is given. Like, then radius is equal to 4.2 upon 2, cancel out, 2.1 meter. Last, lateral or curved surface area of the tank is equal to simply 2 pi r h, and 2 pi 22 upon 7 r 2.1 and height 4.5. So replace the decimal, simply 7 with the 7 3s are 21 and 3 2s are 6, directly 3 2s are 6, multiply by 22 and multiply by 45, total upon 10 tens are 100. ओके, इसको 2 के टेबल से कैंसिल आउट मत करिए, बिकॉज ये 100 सेफ रहेगा तो न्यूमरेटर में सिर्फ हमारा मल्टीप्लाई जाएगा, फाइनली जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो सिर्फ 0 के अकॉर्डिंग हम अपना डेसिमल रिप्लेस कर देंगे. ओके, सो अगेन directly 6 5s are, okay, 6 to the 12, 2 carry 1, 6 to the 12, 113, 132 multiply by 45 upon 100. So here use the rough portion, 132 multiply by 45, 5 to the 10 0 carry 1, 5 to the 15 116 carry 1, 5 to the 5 5 16, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12 2 carry 1, 4 to the 4 4 1 5, 0 6 8 14 4 carry 1 7 2 9 and 5 5 9 4 0, 5 9 4 0 upon 100, 0 0 cancel out. So 59.4 meter square. This is the answer. This is the first part of question number 9. And second part क्वेश्चन से चिल्ड्रन कि जो पेट्रोल टैंक का स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है उसका 1/12 पार्ट, उसको बनाने में स्टील शीट हमारा क्या होता है, वेस्टेज हो जाता है. तो हम सपोज करेंगे कि हमारे पास बनाने में जितना हमको स्टील यूज़ हो रहा है उसको हम सपोज करते हैं, फिर कोई भी चीज़ें होल होती है वो 1 होती है, तो 1 का उसमें 1/12 पार्ट क्या हुआ है, वेस्टेज हुआ है. तो 1 - 1 अपॉन हम 12 कर देंगे, लेकिन किसका करेंगे, x का करेंगे, सपोज करेंगे. ओके, तो इन द सेकंड पार्ट टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टैंक, क्योंकि आपको उसमें पूरा निकालना है हाउ मच स्टील वाज एक्चुअली यूज्ड. तो स्टील को यूज करने के लिए आपके पास में टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक रहेगा, TSA ऑफ cylindrical tank 2 pi r in the bracket h plus r. then 2 22 upon 7, r is 2.1 in the bracket 4.5 plus 2.1. again replace the decimal. Okay, 7 1 the 7, 7 3 is 21, 3 2 is 6, 6 into 22 upon 10, and 4.5 plus 2.1, 5.6, 4 to 6, 6.6. replace the decimal again and mention the 10. So here multiply by 6 6 is 36, carry 3, 6 is the 36, 3 39, 396 multiply by 22 upon 100. again use the rough portion, 396 multiply by 22, 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 9 is 18, 119 carry 1, 2 3 are 6 1 7. So 2 9 7, again 2 11 17 8 7 1 2, 8 7 1 2, right answer. Okay, so here 8 7 1 2 upon 100, then divided by 100 means 87.12 meter square. This is the total surface area of the cylindrical storage tank. But one exception is there, like 1/12 part of steel sheet wasted. Okay, so here let x meter square steel, STEEL, steel sheet, let x meter square steel sheet be actually used in making the tank, okay. So that is this statement converted to mathematical form, that is let x meter square steel sheet be actually used in making the tank. So mention the x, but 1/12 part is only wastage, so whole tank is 1, उसमें कितना wastage हो गया, 1/12 part उसका wastage हो गया. then is equal to इसके इक्वल में आ रहा है, टोटल सरफेस एरिया के इक्वल में आ रहा है. टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या है, 87.12. ये मेन स्टेटमेंट हुआ. ओके चिल्ड्रन, वेट. again in the bracket taking the LCM, 12 minus 1 means only 11 is equal to 87.12. then value of x is equal to 87.12. here 11/12 going to this portion converted to 12/11. replace the decimal. okay, so mention the 100, and again 11 1s are 11, 11 7s are 77. okay, 87 minus 77 10. here is 1 101. 11 9s are 99, 11 9s are 99. 101 minus 99 is 2, again 2 to 22, 11 2s are 22. okay, right. So 792 into 12 upon 100, and again 12 2s are 24, 4 carry 2, 11 9s are 108, 11 9s are 108, 108 plus 2, 100 0 carry 10, 11 7s are 84 84 plus 10 94 9404 9404 carry on 904 12 to the 24 before carry 2 2 2 2 12 9 the 108 108 and 2 110 110 so carry 11 12 7 are 84 11 plus 95 total upon 100 so 95.04 meter square. Okay, so finally this is the 95 0.4 meter square the required steel sheet actually used making the tank. Okay, so this is the basic solution of question number 9. Understood all of you? And again question number 10, this is the last second question of this exercise. In the given figure you see that frame of a lamp shed, it is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter 20 centimeter and a height of 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lamp shed. Finally only lamp shed आपको निकालना है. Wait, this question not solving full question but some hints given to you. Okay, in question number 10, shape of lamp shed, height is 30 centimeter and margin space 2.5 centimeter and diameter 20 centimeter. Okay, so require the cloth of decorative lamp shed. Like this is the cylindrical lamp shed. Question number 10, only hints. Okay, so this is the base, this is the top of cylindrical lamp shed. Okay, understood? So according to this figure, height of the lamp shed is 30 centimeter given. Okay children, and diameter of the circular base is 20. So diameter 2r is equal to 20, then r is equal to 10 centimeter. And last, what is the meaning of margin space top and bottom? So this is the margin space in the top and this is the margin. So what is this? This is the margin, and margin is 2.5 centimeter bottom and 2.5 centimeter on the टॉप. तो उसमें मीनिंग क्या नहीं कर रही है कि जब आप कोई सिलेंड्रिकल बेस रखते हैं या कोई भी चीज़ें आप बनाइए तो उसमें जो उसकी थिकनेस होती है मार्जिन स्पेस, तो वो मार्जिन स्पेस का क्या मतलब होता है कि ये ओपन भी हो सकता है एक तरीके से, क्लोज भी हो सकता है, या फिर बॉटम में जो चीज़ रखी जाती है तो उसकी जो थिकनेस होती है उस मार्जिन स्पेस को भी उन्होंने इतना मेंशन कर दिया. तो अगर मार्जिन को भी हम एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो हाइट ऑफ द फ्रेम ऑफ लैम्प शेड है ना, तो हाइट ऑफ द frame of lampshade is 2.5 plus 30 plus 2.5 is equal to total height 335 centimeter height, and radius is 10 centimeter given. Finally क्या करना है आपको? Covering the lampshade. Okay, so cloth required of covering the lamp shade is simply हो जाएगा 2 pi r h. This is the question mark. Okay, so you have calculated at your home. This is the hints and synopsis of the question. Okay, so it's a very simple question, putting the height of lamp and radius in the formula 2 pi r h simply. And last question, question number 11, only discuss in front of you children. The student of a vidyalaya were asked to participate in the competition for making and decorating pen holders. Pen holder very simple task. Okay, पेन होल्डर इज अ सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. पेन होल्डर पे टॉप का आप ओपन रखोगे पेन को पुट करने के लिए या थ्रो कर निकालने के लिए, और नीचे का बेस आप पैक करोगे. ठीक है, पेन होल्डर इन द शेप ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल विथ अ बेस यूजिंग कार्डबोर्ड. Each pen holder was to be radius 3 centimeter, okay, and height 10.5 centimeter, 10.53. The Vidyalaya was to supply for competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? Very simple, very simple. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एक पेन होल्डर को उसमें कार्डबोर्ड बनाने के लिए पेन होल्डर को जो जरूरत पड़ेगी, तो हर जगह आपका कार्डबोर्ड लगा हुआ है पेन होल्डर में, पूरा कंप्लीट सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में लगेगा, बॉटम में लगेगा, टॉप पे यहाँ पर नहीं लगना है. तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ पेन होल्डर TSA ऑफ 1 पेन होल्डर्स, तो TSA कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ पेन होल्डर प्लस एरिया ऑफ वन एंड, एरिया ऑफ बेस ऑफ पेन होल्डर. सो 2 pi r h प्लस टोटल सरफेस एरिया में 2 pi r स्क्वायर आता है, बट यहाँ पर टॉप को लेस करना है तो ओनली pi r स्क्वायर. तो 2 pi r h प्लस pi r स्क्वायर की वैल्यू से आप अपना आंसर सेव करिए. तो ये 1 पेन होल्डर का TSA निकला. कंपटीटर्स को कितने होल्डर पेन होल्डर की रिक्वायरमेंट है 35 की. तो लास्ट में जब आप फाइंड करेंगे टोटली, तो एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड फॉर 35 competitors is equal to 35 multiply by this value. This is the answer. Okay children, so solve this question at your home. Finally, in this exercise there are 11 questions. Okay, so from my side today, in the today class, exercise will be done. In the next class we will start 13.3. Okay children, thank you so much.